Hi everyone, today I'm going to share some tips and tricks that I like to use for walking in heels. I've had a lot of requests for this video, so I'm going to do my best to help you guys with some quick tricks that can make your heel walking experience even better. Let's get started. So the first thing I like to do when I'm teaching walking in heels is just focus on posture. We want to make sure we're tall and our shoulders are back. No tension up here, just nice and relaxed. And then what we're going to do is we're just going to walk placing one foot in front of the other. When we get to where we need to turn around, then we're just going to keep that one foot in front and we're just going to turn on our feet like that to make our turn. So let's give that a try first. So one foot in front of the other, standing nice and tall, and here we go. So now we're here, we ran out of space, so we're gonna turn around. So we're just gonna rotate on our feet, like so, and then we're gonna walk back. To here, and turn. Now we're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're gonna over-exaggerate, crossing our foot over as we bring it in front, like this. So let's just do that, kind of making us move our hips. We run out of room, turn, same thing. Turn. If you feel like you're having trouble with balance when you're doing this, you can drag your foot, bringing it across. Ankle balance is definitely a lot when we are training to walk in heels. All right, so practice those a little bit. Let's throw on some heels and get to it. All right, so here we are in a nice pair of heels, we can see. Now what we wanna do is we wanna focus on bringing one foot in front of the other. We're gonna go heel to toe as we walk, and we're just gonna bring one foot in front of the other and get a nice feel for this. Ready? Let's go. Turn. Maybe I walked too far. All right, so now we want to bring our hips into it. Make sure that upper body is nice and relaxed. We're just going to move our hips, let them sway. If you want, you can do the over-exaggerated step in your heels again, just to really get those hips naturally moving. Turn. Turn. How are we feeling? Now trying to pull that back in. We're just gonna walk, bringing one foot slightly in front of the other, letting our hips relax. Upper body is nice and relaxed too, nice and tall, shoulders are back, and let's walk. And turn. How are we feeling, guys? Feel good with that? I'm going to show you another way to turn. You don't always want to stop and do this. So the next thing that we're going to do is when you come to a stop, you can kick out and turn. It always looks nice. Just another extra way to turn around. We're ready? So we're gonna walk, kick out, turn. Kick out, turn. Just a little more attitude that way, you know? Now, if you're ready for like model strut, you have a stage and you need to walk across it and you want to own it, you can also do just the full foot down. This is a little more dramatic. I wouldn't use it for walking around in everyday life, but here we go. Dramatic? How was it? You ready? You mean business? That one's just fun, if you feel like being extra sassy. A lot of mistakes that I see done are going to be a little wider, or just a lot of this, like there's no hips here. There's arm swinging, there's no hips, and it seems tight. So we just want to be sure that we shake everything out, nice and relaxed. Let our body flow as we walk and just feel good. If you practice that, you will have heel walking in no time. It's gonna feel fabulous. You won't even think about it. You'll just throw on heels and go. I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any questions or comments, let me know, just post down below. I am gonna link at the end of this video a exercise routine for feet and ankles that I made. Those are always good things, especially when you're walking in heels. We need to make sure those muscles are nice and strong and well taken care of. Please be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with anyone that you think can use it. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, guys. I will see you all again soon.